In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix not being able to join a Discord server. The invite is invalid. So if we go over here, click add a server, and we're going to click join a server. We'll put the link in. This is firstly what you should do if you click a link in a browser and it just doesn't let you in. You would go and manually add the link right over here, but we're going to click join server. As you can see, it says unable to accept invite. Now, if we go back and if we go into a regular web browser and then maybe a incognito web browser, we'll click paste and go. I'm able to click accept. And in that case, it did not let me in. It got us a little bit closer. We saw this window unlike before, but it says unable to accept invite. And the last thing you could try if it's truly an error is just to use Discord within the browser and then try to join that way. The last option is to install a VPN, and you could use one within the Chrome, and you could use a VPN extension within Google Chrome, or you could install one here like Hotspot Shield. Now I'm just going to click on this and it's going to activate. Now we're going to click accept. And from there, as you can see, we have now been able to join, unlike before, since the VPN is active. Now, just to be clear, if your account has been banned, the account itself will not be allowed to rejoin the server. But if you're on an alt account, that's what this process will work for. And if you ever leave the server with this account, you'll have to use a VPN to get back in. And then with your main account, if you have another account, you'll have to contact support within that server to request an unban so that you don't have to go through all this process. But that's all for today. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.